Ladies and gentlemen, we have right here in front of us the newest color you all been waiting for, 18 karat gold plated Ekster wallet. Grab yourself a fresh cup of coffee, throw it in your Yeti, and let's begin. So, while we're grabbing this out, in the description box right below the video, click on that Show More tab. Top link will be the link. Ekster is having a 30 to 40% off sale. So if you want to get your hands on this new 18 karat gold plated Ekster wallet, then definitely hit that link below. I also have their brand new midnight color. That will be a separate video. But this one is the long-awaited one. Just subtle hints of differences. Even the logo right here is gold, where this one is kind of a dark black, where you can't really see it there. Besides that, everything is the same on the outside. Let's get this off and get down to the business we've come and long-awaited for. Oh, yeah. That is like that old school commercial. Oh, yeah. What is that, Twix? Oh, man, that's a good-looking wallet right there, folks. All right. So, let's get this thing out of here. Have their little mission statement in the back in gold. All right, so right off the bat, if you are wondering, the RFID plate is matte black and the wallet is 18 karat gold plated. If the camera can pick that up, we have Ekster in black writing on the edge right here. A black push button, which is going to reveal all your cards, of course. We'll be showing you what it looks like with actual cards inside. And then with this particular model, they've given you kind of a, I don't know what kind of material that is. It's like a waterproof, like almost like a silicone type of a band that goes around. And then this is steel or aluminum Ekster logo right here with the little E logo, as you can see right here. Let's get this off. And this is going to be our cash strap. And it's going to be a little tight the first couple go-arounds until you loosen that up slightly. But let's get that off. Flipping it around, Ekster logo right up here. And then this is your expansion plate. So not only is it your RFID blocker, but also is your expansion plate where you, if you don't want to advertise money, which I'm going to show you, you can hide your money underneath this. You can expand more cards under this. What I particularly do, especially if I'm going to a wedding or something like that and I don't need this, then I leave this off. I could put my cash strap on, put cash in it. If you're just rocking a couple cards, let's say you're heading out golfing and you don't want to use any cash and you just want to use a card. Personally, I only use debit cards with cashback rewards. So I would be probably taking this in my pocket or leaving that in my golf bag, etc. Beautiful design to it. And also another major upgrade before we do grab our cash and cards and show you some examples here is the thumb button is metal on this model. So not only do you get the gold color and actually gold plated, but you get a metal thumb trigger here. All right, let's see how this thumb trigger works out here. So boom, got your cards right there. I'm going to go ahead and put my shopper's card right here just so I can show you here. So typically what I do is I put, like, let's say my driver's license probably right here or on the back. And then so like your most used cards on the front or back, obviously I won't show my license, but that I would probably put on the back or front and then lock it back into place right there. Now I also have my very thick Crypto.com steel card in the back as well, or I should say not in the back, but kind of in the middle there. So that holds a nice steel card in there. Right now I only have 4 cards. Now I have 6, including my Crypto.com card, and see how they spread out. So I got my driver's license, debit, 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 and grocery rewards card right there. So they pack into play here. So again, hit it with your thumb right there. They all fan out just like this here, which is super cool. Grab that right off the bat, chuck that back in, boom, put it back in, boom, put it back in, boom, put it back in. I think you guys are getting the point. I just like how you push it and it fans it out like that. So as you can see here, your middle cards, it would be a little tougher to grab that. That's why your most used cards front or in the back position, so you could grab it like this. Now obviously if you do need to get to your middle cards, then pull it out completely, fan through it. I won't show that because obviously this is the internet. And then put them back in like this, looking fantastic. So I've been going to Lowe's a lot, and let's say you want your Costco membership card, etc. Then you put your gift cards like this underneath the RFID plate, and then you put your band back on. And again, the band's going to be a little tight for the first couple go-arounds until you loosen that up a little bit. Let's slip that back into place. Or again, you could hide your cash underneath here. Folks, I'm not too much of a baller with cash because I like debit cards. So let's grab a couple bills here and we'll just go ahead and show you. So you flashy folks, you guys can go ahead and slip this in the back here. Have your C-note, have your dub shack, your nickel, your dime, whatever you want, flashing right here on this side here. If you really want to, you could tuck it under here, but it'd be a little tighter in my opinion. And you don't have to have the plate on this side. If you want the plate on the back side and then your cash on the front, so you're thumbing it, because you can push it from this side if you want. So you bust it out of your pocket and you're like, hey, sir, go ahead and treat yourself to a nice ice cream sundae. And then right here, if I need my Lowe's gift card, I can pull that out and then even slip that back in underneath there like that there. Or again, like I said, go ahead and remove your RFID plate completely and rock it like this, or rock it like this here. I'll leave that up to you, whatever you want to do regarding that, but it keeps a low profile design regardless. If you want the RFID plate on there, cash on there, just the strap, and then when you're ready to go with your cash, go ahead and pay. I like to fold it up in thirds or fourths, whatever that is, and slip that in as we can see. Once again, a solid wallet. I like the steel. I like the metal thumb push button. I like the 18 karat gold plated. That looks really sharp, busting that out of your pocket. It would be pretty cool if Ekster would sell an accessory, or if they're Gen 2 18 karat gold. I kind of like the black on gold, but if this was gold plated as well, so it's like all gold and then just the band is black with the push button, I think it would look even sharper. Well folks, overall Ekster makes great products. Again, if you want up to 40% off, depends when you're watching this, it's going to be 30 or up to 40% off of your purchase. Top link in the description box below will be the link where you guys can pick up your 18 karat gold or any other products. Use my direct link below in the description box for that. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like review videos like this, tech reviews, van life builds, DIY house projects, and more. Definitely subscribe because I will be reviewing their Weekender bag, their new, once again, midnight color. I have another new Parliament color as well I'll be reviewing. Thank you for watching, and once again, your link is right below in the description box. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.